Hi everyone, we're here on Fraser Island today. Thought we'd go over what we've done to this Hilux. And as you guessed it, if you saw the film the other day where we're cutting up the front bumper bar, you're right, ECB bull bar. Nice, shiny, Australian made, solid, but light. What we've also done is we put a winch in the front, help us if we ever get stuck, hopefully never. Alright, let's come around and have a look at what suspension we've got underneath here. What we've got is we've got the Super Pro adjustable upper control arms. Okay, when you lift them, these help get your wheel alignment back to good specifications. You know, we've got camber and caster built into the arm and the ball joint, and they are adjustable. Okay, we've got formless shocks in here, King springs and Super Pro strut top mounts. And we've also upgraded at the front here to a Super Pro sway bar. Okay, that will pull you up and stop your vehicle from pitching when you're going around corners. Okay, if you come down to the back, we've actually done a 2-inch lift all round on this. So we've got the Formula springs and the Formula U-bolts. And we have the Super Pro greasable shackles. I don't know if you can see them, you've got to come around here. Okay, so Super Pro greasable shackles. Stop them from squeaking and will make your bushes last even longer. We'll also put on a Super Pro rear adjustable sway bar. So if you're towing and you're carrying heavy loads, you can actually stiffen that or soften it, and that will pull that wobble out of the rear and help you also corner. The other thing we'll do, you won't lose articulation when you're off-road. So that's a quick rundown of what we've done to this beast for our trip. Let's go and enjoy. Give us a call on 1-800-FULCRUM.